This is a wonderful day. I have never seen this one before.
Hello everyone, this is GM Rasel. Right now me and my friends are at Regent Park Resort, which is a really nice resort located in Chilampara, South Sylhet. Let's walk through the resort. I'm gonna give you guys a quick tour of the Regent Park Resort. This is a very quiet place. You guys can already see a complete natural beauty, tropical greenery all around. All the flowers and plants and trees. Very fresh air. Just next to the garden, they got a pond.
Now we are entering to the grand entrance of this resort. Just to let you guys know, this resort is completely eco-friendly. Look how nice and tidy this place is.
You guys can already see the architectural construction of this resort, like oldish and original.
Look who we got here, Mr. Tony Khan. Let me introduce Tony Khan, one of the well-known celebrity chefs ever produced by Bangladeshi soil.
Here you guys can see they got a small park for the kids.
Kids can enjoy their time playing and having fun, as well as parents can walk around and relax.
Now we are going to the party hall. I'm actually amazed by the architectural construction, gives a royal vibe and white. This place is used for organizing parties like birthdays, anniversaries, weddings and many more. Anyone who wants to get a royal vibe on your day can visit here. They also got a restaurant here where you guys can order foods, traditional Bengali foods, very good quality and from the price point that don't ask.
I'll leave that to you guys to discover. My total experience of this place was amazing, surrounded by nature and people who love silence and greenery. Must check out this place. If you like the videos, please subscribe to my channel for more awesome travel videos.